Welcome to Tech Guchu channel. In the last video, we have seen how to install Python and how to integrate with the Visual Studio Code. In this video, we will see how to install C, C++, Java and how to integrate with Visual Studio Code. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Open Google Chrome and open new incognito window. Here paste the link from the description to install the MinGW. After opening this page, go to the download section where you will find two download links. Open without git.exe file. Now wait some time to download this file. Now click on show in folder and open the MinGW application file. Now we will change the path. We will only keep path of C drive root folder. It will take some time to install. Now open this PC, go to the C drive. Here you will find your MinGW folder. Click the bin folder. Now copy the path of the bin folder. Now close this window and Windows button and type for environment env. Here you will find edit the system environment. Now user variable for and edit. Click on new and paste that path. Click OK. And now we will check we have successfully installed G++ or not. So open command prompt and type G++ version. So now we can see that it's 11.2.8. So it means we have successfully installed G++ in our device. Now we will open Visual Studio Code to integrate it. Now click on the extension and search for C, C++. We will install C, C++ IntelliSense. Wait for some time to install it completely. After that we will search for code runner. I have already installed it. So now we will write some code to check whether our code is working or not. So name the file check.cpp and write some boilerplate code here. We will check hey there and we will return 0. So now click on run button. And now here we can see that hey there, and we can see that G++ check.cpp has been called. Now we will check for C++. Now we will check for C language code. We will make check.c and write some boilerplate code printf hey there, and we will return 0. Click on run button. And here you can see GCC has been called and hey there has been here without any error. Means we can say that C and C++ has been successfully integrated with Visual Studio Code. Now paste the link in tab and here you will see Oracle page. Click on Windows and we will install 64-bit installer from the second link. Wait for some time to complete the download. Click on show in folder and we will run this setup. Click on next. We will not change any path this time. Click on next and wait for some time to complete the installation. Click on finish. Now open command prompt. Here we will check whether it has been installed or not. We will write java -- version. So we are getting Java version. After that we will see Java C version. So we are getting it 17.8.2, means it has been successfully installed in our device. Now open Visual Studio Code, and now we will search for Java IntelliSense. So go to the extension and search for Java. So it will show extension pack for Java. Click on install and wait for some time. So now click mark all done, and we will check whether it has been installed or not. So we will write boilerplate code in check.java file. So public class check, static void main, give some parameters and print hey there. So now we are getting hey there, and you can see check.class has been successfully created, means all the steps has been successfully done in the VS Code also. So guys, that's it for today, and from now onwards I will going to upload the videos on the some coding problems. So if you are interested in the coding problems, then do watch my channels, and for that subscribe and like these videos to give me some motivation. Thank you.